middle. You're gonna watch me do my lashes while I get high. I'm eating some edibles. I'm gonna do top and bottom. On the bottom, I'm gonna use 8. I do use Cami Nguyen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name right. I'm gonna do 21mm all across with 25 spikes. The glue I will be using Ardell Lash dark adhesive. They also have clear. I just made the biggest mess of all time. 21 all throughout with 25mm spikes. So I'm using Wendy lashes, 0.10 diameter, and we have 20 to 25mm, and it's mixed length. I'm going throughout the whole entire lash with, like I said, 21mm, and I'm doing the 25mm spikes, and I'm doing 8mm. I normally go back and forth as I go, but the way I have my phone set up in my mirror, spikes 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I'm gonna start on the bottom row. I got baby lungs, y'all. Yeah, this is the girl. I'm not even high, y'all. I was dang on shaking it so it could come out, and it just inked all over me.
Options on my line, pick and choose when I answer. Moving on fast, cause I hate a double standard. Ain't chasing these niggas cause they cheat like a tradition.